See? Killing niggas. I ain't going into it. That was body, bro. Ladies are spicy. I mean, look at this.
And now, the slow travel journey continues on the Thinking Man channel. Ladies and germs, Rich's Method, back at it again. Go ahead and subscribe. It's absolutely free. Hit the like, drop a comment below, share the videos. Check the comments and the description below. I have links to ebooks on the dating cheat sheet, financial cheat sheet, the how to get remote work cheat sheet, and a link to the camera that I use, all pinned in the comments below. Go check it out. So, let's go.
How are you doing? Speak English? Zero?
Yeah.
Zero English?
Digo, ¿habla español?
Oh, a little bit of English. Pero tú hablas mucho español?
Sí. First time in
¿De
Brazil?
dónde eres?
Rio, Brazil.
Oh, okay. Which part of Brazil?
First time in Brazil? Not side. You live in Brazil?
No.
No.
I've been here before, Salvador and all that. Oh, you work here? Ah, that's why you have that question first. Mas boa noite. Boa noite. Girls come out to work. Ah, no cash. No cash. No efectivo.
Hey, dólar americano.
Alright, the hustler here is real.
Caralho!
So much game that I can see it. Turn it up till they can't hear.
Thing. Hola.
Olá.
How you doing?
My name is Kelly.
Oh, you're working. You know too much English. And you say, oh, hola. First you say hola.
What's your name?
What do you guys say here when you meet
from?
somebody? That's above Brazil. Brazil, Guyana. That's why we speak English with a Caribbean accent, like Jamaica. Which part of Brazil you from? Rio? No, what part of Brazil you from? Nah, baby, I ain't partying. I know you girls out here partying. As soon as you talk to me in English, how you know like I'm a foreigner? The way I dress.
Ah, sim, ok, parece.
That's how you know?
Yeah.
All right.
Bye.
Have a good night. All right, so we've got events. Got pretty much everything here today.
Oi.
Hello.
Cadeirinha?
How are you? Thank you.
Oh, they got that copyright R. Kelly playing in the background, man. Go check it out.
I guess you could see Ipanema, all defeated. Yeah, sometimes I'm adjusting my shirt. Sometimes I'm adjusting my slippers. What you can. Let it go on what you cannot. For those who don't know, the sun affects these cameras. No matter how good a camera you have, it's better to have your back with the sun to your back, walking away from it. Now, the camera I have is an auto setting that's supposed to adjust, but the truth is, so it can't be perfect. It's not the human eye. Even the human eye, we're very shaky. So think about that sometimes. I know sometimes you guys want the perfect shot. Sometimes that's just impossible.
Parar de tirar mais de seu irmão, hein?
That's the real world environment, right? We're not controlling who, how, what, when. You guys gotta remember that too. Some reasons, some you do, some you don't. So, I don't know what to tell you. Found that sometimes people have unrealistic expectations. We got a big game going here. Yeah, the waves ain't playing today. Hey, body though. That feels good. Not that many percent because you're way too afraid. Alright guys, fuck through a little bit. The battery guys, not like 20%.
Oh my God! Beleza, eu tô indo lá. Se fazer isso, né?
No, é sério.
Can't capture everything, guys. Can't capture everything. Over here. That's a really face to be the guy selling the keys. So you do something, guys. It's definitely them and working. Oh, Leblon Beach. What dreams are made of. Dreams, baby. On beach, we do it like nobody else does it, always. We're gonna hit the showers of Rio, beaches of Rio, grab a Brahma or Antarctica boat beers that are good. Out of option, a caipirinha, and if you're really healthy with it,
We're gonna hit a day beach party. This is the spot I kept seeing, and I always said to myself I want to hit it up. So today we go hit that spot. No.
quero para ver se você vai ouvir. Porque eu te amo. Quero com vocês. Vou deixar com vocês. Esqueci a letra.
I don't understand any of it, but it's good.
A semana inteira fiquei esperando pra te ver sorrir, pra te ver cantando, como a gente ama.